Welcome back, everybody. I am your host for today, and my name is Funky D 1. The news today they tell us say Sowore blast Buhari. They come they tell us say make we see the strong message when Sowore send to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu had in a post earlier kicked against the trial of Omoyele Sowore and the condemnation of popular Yoruba activist Sunday Igboho. So, una know say get some people when they talk say Nnamdi Kanu do this, Nnamdi Kanu do that. Now, this one will show all of us say Nnamdi Kanu na person when sabi unite people. Okay? But before we go into the full detail regarding this gentleman, when be our heroes, Nnamdi Kanu and Omoyele Sowore, I say make I use this little opportunity when I get. Thank you when don't subscribe to my channel, and for those of you when never subscribe before, make una dey subscribe to our channel. And as una dey subscribe na so God will continue to dey butter all of una bread, including my own too. So the issue when concern this revolution now and revolution and the agitation of Biafra and the agitation of Oduduwa, most especially the Biafra and the Sowore. Personally, I don't tell all of you before when they fight for the liberation of our people from our oppressors. I don't tell Nnamdi Kanu before, and I don't tell Sowore before. I don't talk to my fans before all over the world, asking the best way to fight this fight. And I can't tell them, say, make all of us unite together, both Yoruba and Igbo, because one tribe no go fit fight this fight. People went on they follow me. No, waiting we done already nyan. Are they very happy today when they make this video? Because now I don't feel say yes, Nnamdi Kanu don't hear my voice, Sowore don't hear my voice, at least. Then they tell us now say Sowore send message to Nnamdi Kanu, and that message, that message of unity, to unite and fight together, so that our people will at least be free after so many years of oppression and repression from APC and PDP and all the whole political machines when they that country. So today, waiting we don't tell them before. At least last year, last 2 years, we done the chance, amen. Sowore got to unite. Nnamdi Kanu got to unite. They have to come together and fight this fight. Now another brother don't come out again when be Sunday Igboho. So if these people can come together with other group of people, when hate oppression, when hate this APC and PDP people when they disturb our life, then all of them go fight them together. Not be kangaroo fight to where you they go they sabotage the next person. No. We don't need that. We need serious people to come together so that all of us will liberate ourselves. The news they tell us say Sowore don't call on Nnamdi Kanu to come, make them join together, because water don't they pass Gary. And if care is not taken, if they not come right now, water may pass Gary. And that time, they no fit do anything again. Buhari and APC regime, including PDP. Okay, take for example, now somebody like Atiku Abubakar. Since 100 years, Atiku Abubakar don't run, enter Dubai. They enjoy Nigerian money when they don't thief with their family. He did there. When 2023 don't reach, the old man go fly, come back. He go say in one contest. Nigerian people. This group of Fulani people, they hate us. They hate the southeastern people and the southwestern people and the south people. And now they still divide us like the southeastern, southwestern, and south this, the same people. So if we don't do something right now, all of us will bear the consequences when we follow these herdsmen people, when we follow all these Janjaweed terrorist people. Not even only these Janjaweed people. The oppression is too much. It's obvious. Very open oppression. They don't hide them upon the technology when they in these our present days. The APC people, they know they hide the oppression, they know they hide the looting, they know they hide the intimidation, they know they hide their failures, they know they hide them again. Nothing when they hide again. Then they put all their fingers in our eyes, and we just did that. They mumu, they look these people. Enough is enough. So make we go see waiting Sowore tell Nnamdi Kanu regarding the unity when we don't preach since. And then Nnamdi Kanu himself don't they look for people when go join them. But for somebody somewhere go come and say, oh, Nnamdi Kanu people not they support Nnamdi Kanu, that is a fat lie. We know how many followers, millions of followers when Nnamdi Kanu get from southeastern part of the country. So if you claim say nobody they listen to Nnamdi Kanu, now why you they tell your people? You don't want to tell people the real truth. Because you know, so if you tell them the real truth, you when they yarn, you go shame, say, oh, because those people then go to laugh at you. We don't want that in the root. That is why some people they come clean and say, oh, Nnamdi Kanu not get supporters. Nnamdi Kanu not get any supporter from the southeast. That is a fat lie, ladies and gentlemen. Nnamdi Kanu get millions of supporters. Millions, ladies and gentlemen. That is why you see, say, FG, they panic when Nnamdi Kanu speak. Army, they panic. Right now, you see, say, Army no go fit shoot anyhow again like the way when they shoot before because of the order. When Nnamdi Kanu don't give a people, say, man, and because of the caution, when they don't caution army people, say any time when they shoot somebody, then they into big problem. Supposing Nnamdi Kanu not make this comment, every time you go to hear say army key 20, IPOB, army key 5, army key 10, army adopt, army do this, army do that. Now everything done they go down. Now so everything will continue to sink down on top of their head until all of us are liberated from their hands. These are the enemies of the people. The people when you feel say now them be your leaders, now them be your enemies. Now then they do you. Every day when they come, they tell them all this. So people got to open their eyes. So make we listen to what Omo Sowore got to tell all of us. And this message when he sent to Nnamdi Kanu, message of liberation, message of freedom. Okay? Sowore blast Buhari. Nnamdi Kanu had in a post earlier kicked against the trial of Sowore and the condemnation of popular Yoruba activist Sunday Igboho. Record that Nnamdi Kanu said he wasn't satisfied with the trial put against Omo Sowore by the federal government. In addition, he was also not satisfied with the condemnation of Sunday Igboho. Sowore recently revealed a message to leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. He asked Nnamdi Kanu to join him in the fight against the administration of President Muhammadu Buhari. Ladies and gentlemen, this President Muhammadu Buhari, he is not on stage. He is not the person that is controlling Nigeria. Even if you say Sowore they talk like this, or anybody they write the way where they lie. You know, write whatever you want to write. The people, make una clear, my fans. The people, when they rule Nigeria, na Meyati Allah people, not be Buhari. Aso Rock, they very empty. But these Meyati Allah criminals, they don't occupy everywhere. Now them be the people. You go see the way when they appoint Borata, when they know say na criminal. You go see the way when Nigeria big. Take a look whether any other African nation they like that. Or anywhere in the world when they like the way when Nigeria did today. Everything about Nigeria is problem. So you see, there is no leadership there is no president there. The thing where we get now presidency, and those presidency, ladies and gentlemen, na Meyati Allah people. That is why you see somebody like Garba Shehu, all of them are stakeholder. Meyati Allah are stakeholder. Check out this kind of Garba Shehu coming out every day. The president, they're not the same. So Buhari is not in charge. People when they in charge there, that they Meyati Allah people. So let's continue, ladies and gentlemen. While replying to a tweet by Nnamdi Kanu on Saturday, he sent the message to him. The message goes thus: Dear Nnamdi Kanu, we will not condone this criminal act from Buhari and his groom any longer. We must unite and put an end to all forms of repression. Henceforth, he wrote, in 1983, Buhari led a bloody revolution against an elected government. He actually committed treason, but with time, Nigerians pardoned him. It is shameful that the same Nigerians now condole the persecution of Sowore for Revolution Now and Sunday Igboho, stopping terrorists. Reacting in the pro-Biafra activist tweet, Sowore wrote, Dear Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we will not condone these criminal acts from Buhari and his groom any longer. We must unite and put an end to all forms of repression henceforth. This clearly dispatched that the founder of the Revolution Now movement, Sowore, want Nnamdi Kanu to fight alongside with him against President Muhammadu Buhari and his groom as a bona fide citizen of Nigeria. What do you have to say about this message? Ladies and gentlemen, we have much to say. We have much to contribute in this message. This is a message of hope, a message of freedom and redemption. Nnamdi Kanu and the Sowore, Funky D personally, don't they yarn this matter they come. I don't they yarn this matter they come. From 2 years ago, I don't they talk this thing. Without coming together. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, without coming together, it's not going to be easy, either for Nnamdi Kanu, or for Sowore, or for Biafran people, or for Duduwa people, or for anybody when they fight for freedom in that country, including Sunday Igboho. If Sunday Igboho, they fight his own legitimately. I mean, if he fight his own, like, seriously, like the way when Nnamdi Kanu that they fight their own sincerely. If they fight his own with open heart, he no go fit do am alone. Yoruba will not go fit do am alone. This thing needs support of everybody, left and right, back and forth, for us to succeed. Because if we don't come together, we get problem. We get serious problem when we no go fit solve, when the problem go escalate. I don't tell you before about freedom. A lot of people they talk about freedom. Freedom no they come freely like that. Nobody will just carry the thing, give you, say, oh yeah, make una go. Buhari go say, oh yeah, or maybe all those governors say, make una go, oh yeah, go take your Biafra, go take your Duduwa. Impossible. They're going to fight you with everything, every resources at their disposal. Now so government they work. But at the end of the day, now we the people, we the masses, now we get the final say. If we truly unite. Now we go get the final say, the masses. But it no go easy. Whether na Biafra, whether na Oduduwa, whether na Arewa, whether na anything, it no go easy to just liberate yourself like that. Even revolution itself, not be something when we say it easy, it not easy. Now only mount the revolution the easy. Now when it's set, now you will not say it's set. Government no give you space. So that is why we have to come together all over the world, everywhere where we dey as Nigerians. We have to support these people. Because waiting our people down home, they go through. Even we, when they overseas, waiting we don't go through before we come here. All of us know the history now. I don't need to tell you what you go through. You know what you go through. Me, I know what I go through. Everybody know what they don't go through in the hands of these harmful criminals. How many then they when the APC and PDP, including their supporters? Very few people. Now then they oppress 200 million Nigerian people. So enough is enough according to the way when Showore Nyana. And then Nnamdi Kanu make you embrace Showore, and Showore embrace Nnamdi Kanu. If Sunday Igboho they fight a new fight, ladies and gentlemen, make you embrace two of una together. Then all of our supporters will come together. Then the fight will continue. All of us don't see the way where they treat the Northerners, the way where they treat we when come from the South. We are being seriously oppressed and intimidated. It no go easy. Before this year 2023, we go make sure say we sink this year 2023 on top all of their head. Because if they succeed, because we don't hear Atiku go contest, and Bola Tinubu reach, now at the north go say no, they don't give anybody. The Igbo people go say now then they reach. Who una they do all these things to? All these things got to stop. And if we not come together, we not unite together, then go still defeat us so in 2023. Then go still carry on. We go continue to suffer the suffer. The only way to stop these people, we have to stop them between now till 2023. Because yeah, Wiki, all of them get interest. Look at Ojo. How many? Okorocha now don't roll out his new political party. They call Wiki, made them join together. They say, oh, Okorocha say they be friends before and they continue to be friends. Wiki say the same thing. You know, these people, ladies and gentlemen, forget. Even the INEC chairman and don't come and call the talk, say they don't extend their polling units when they want to knock the fraud in 2023. And you, when you say you carry 10 head, you won't come out and go vote. All of us don't see what happened in 2019. I wonder why we still get mumu people in that country. After we don't see what these people don't do to Omo Showore, for example. So tell me now how you, when be you to want to take excel, when we say all these old people, all these old criminals, when we get as APC and PDP, they don't even allow you to debate with whoever you want to debate. If you open a political party as a young guy, look like AAC now, it's not, I don't know how they work. You know, I say AAC, see what in APC they do AAC people. But at the same time, the same people will come and tell you, say, oh, we want the youth to contest. We want the youth to excel. All of us see what they do to Showore. Anybody when come out, now so they go do them. The reason why when they don't do Fela Dorotoye and Kingsley Moghalu be say, all those people now Buhari APC groom, PDP grooms, and them be all those people when we say now them be the corrupt people when they that country. That is why you see they don't attack them, not them. Those people don't carry Ghana must go. Now they just come out to destroy Showore's political party. So we got to stand up, ladies and gentlemen. One more time, Nnamdi Kanu, you got to embrace Sowore got to embrace Nnamdi Kanu, and all of us have to come together. We are all from the same place. Now only these criminals, they try to divide us. This time around, we no go accept them again. We no go allow them succeed again. We no go allow them go scot-free again. Ladies and gentlemen, if you get waiting you one yarn, oh yeah, come tell us. We still dey here. We dey wait to see your comments. For those of you when done the comments, they come. They ask how Funky D worldwide where you dey. Long time, this and that. I say, may God bless you all. Funky D day. I dey. One love, everybody, and see you guys next time from Canada.